This is everything you need to know for Algebra 2, Part 1. So we're going to review some Algebra 1 by talking about functions and domain and range. So starting with domain and range, if we're given a set of ordered pairs, we know that the domain is all the x values, so our domain would just be 10, 6, 7, and -8. And if we wanted to be more accurate, we could write those from least to greatest, so it would be -8, 6, 7, and 10. Our range is all the y values, so we could do the same thing. So we have 3, -2, 4, and -9. So from least to greatest, we can write -9, -2, 3, and 4. Now, in order for it to be a function, we cannot have any x values that repeat. Okay, so looking at our x values, all 4 of them are different. So this is going to be a function. So I'll say yes, it is a function. All right, so now moving on to a graph. So whenever we're dealing with a graph, same thing. Domain is all the possible x values. Range is all the possible y values. So for domain, we're looking left to right along that x-axis. And so I'm noticing that we never go farther left than +1 on the x-axis. Okay, so that's kind of like a boundary. It does look like we touch +1. So I'm going to say that our domain is x is greater than or equal to +1 because all the x values are either +1 or to the right of that. For our range, we're going to look along this y-axis, and even though it's not increasing by a ton, it is going to keep increasing as we keep going forever and ever. And it's also going to keep decreasing going this way forever and ever. So our range would just be all real numbers. All right, and then whenever we have a graph, the way that we can tell if it's a function or not is to use the vertical line test. So if we draw a vertical line anywhere down through the graph, okay, we can only cross the graph or the line once. All right, so for this graph, we cross it 1, 2 times, okay? So that means it's not a function. And so that's just a quick review of domain and range and functions. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and follow this account, like this video, and leave a comment. That way my videos show up in your For You page later on. We'll see you next time.